there is no imposition of the Annunciation. There is no imposition of the coming of the Holy Spirit. There is no imposition of the birthing the Messiah. But then the grace can operate and the Son can be born only there is a joy that is emerging from the freedom. So now, what is the reality that we can touch with when we celebrate Christmas? The child being born, the humanitarian situations around, and the ordinary lives that are around, children and mothers struggling for their life, struggling to breathe, struggling to have a kind of a confidence for the future, especially in the war zone and in different situations. Now, how do we have a solidarity with them? We cannot go to the manger. First of all, solidarity is in trouble. Secondly, the time is 2000 years before. We cannot make it problem. But then, surely this incarnation happens because it is tangible for us. The phenomenon is made real to us in our existential condition. So then the Christmas is real. So now just imagine about all those people gathered around, the shepherds and mother and Saint Joseph and Magi and all those people. So now don't think, and sorry for saying that, don't. Let us imagine that it is not Jesus who is the provider for all these things. All of them gathered there are providing for Jesus also. See, Mary is giving milk for the child. A preacher giving milk for the child. The shepherds, I believe, the manger was in the shepherd's tent. Not that there was somewhere in Jerusalem or Bethlehem there was what the Gaushala was there. But then shepherds was not running from the hillside. These people may have to had to run to that place, and there was a shelter. And see, there is a communion of bodies to nurture to this child born amidst us. So it is when Mary takes the child in the hand, there is a total existential crisis situation that is taking the child into their own hands. The shepherds, the kings, and even the animals, and even the star. So now, how confidently and how sincerely are we able to take the child into our hand? So all our philosophical thinking may help us may they help us to take this incarnation into our own conditions, and that may be an occasion that we can give birth to the child, give birth to the Messiah. So happy Christmas, and God bless us. It would be a heavy Christmas if I continue. So.
Thank you, Father, for your heartwarming message. So I have some more riddles. This is specifically for brothers. Brothers, please, if you can, especially meant for you. The question is. The question is, what animals were present at the birth of Jesus? What animals were present at the birth of Jesus? Options meant to be donkey, camel. What animals were present at the birth of Jesus?
No,